Hi everyone, my name is Isolethu Khutyiswayo, a student graduating just tomorrow for the highest certificates in entrepreneurship. Just a friendly advice to anyone who's willing to upgrade their skills in terms of business, entrepreneurship or something like that. Personally, I want to encourage you to join Regent Business Schools because it has helped me a lot. Because just last week, I was confident on actually registering my business because of the knowledge that I was able to attain from Regent Business School. It takes you step by step. Also in terms of communication, I'm as confident as I am right now just to stand in front of the camera and just be willing to speak out because of the skills that they focus on. And yeah, just basically that you won't go wrong. Affordable prices as well. You can go as much as you like. There are always webinars as well presented for you, competitions and all of that. So you get so much empowerment. It's not just theory, but it's also practical. It's so practical that you are to engage. Yes, so thank you so much and I wish you guys all the best.